Hey everybody, it's Ron Pollack from the Fighting for People Injury Law Group of PollackSteinberg. Today's Friday, so that means FAQ Friday. This week's question comes from Mary, who wanted to know, if I was at a neighbor's house and I fell because the steps were in disrepair, who would be responsible if the neighbor were to rent that property, the neighbor or the landlord? Well, it really depends. First of all, we'd have to look at the actual lease or the documents that would handle that rental situation to determine who's responsible for the care and upkeep of the property. Is it the landlord or is it the tenant? Also, it really depends upon why you're at the property and the nature of the property. For example, if you were to go to a neighbor's house because they were selling something, just like if you were a customer at a store, then you're known as what's called a business invitee. And the law there is different than if you're just visiting your neighbor for your own purposes, and you're known as what's called a licensee. Now, what if you were trespassing on somebody's property? You'd think, hey, the owner would never have to be responsible if I get hurt because I'm a trespasser. That's not always true either. There are certain circumstances where even if you're trespassing, the owner of the property could potentially be responsible if you're injured. So these are very difficult and complex questions that need to be addressed, and it is important that you always seek out an attorney who concentrates his practice on handling personal injury cases and represent people who get injured because somebody else or a company was negligent. At the Fighting for People Injury Law Group of PollackSteinberg, we do this every day. So if you should have questions about this topic or have another FAQ Friday question that you would like addressed, or any question about the law that you'd like me to handle, you can reach out to me at my email address, rspollack@fightingforpeople.com. You can check out our website at www.fightingforpeople.com. You can also check out our Facebook page and like us at the Fighting for People Injury Law Group. Also, if you want to reach out to me or follow me personally on my Facebook page, Instagram, or connect with me on LinkedIn, reach out to me at Ronald S. Pollack. Our phone number, and we are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, is 1-800-549-4LAW. I hope you have a great week and a safe week. See you soon.